everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Bollywood Life and today we're reviewing Ek So Bees Bahadur. Farhan Akhtar's war drama that brings to life the heroics of Major Shaitan Singh and the brave soldiers of the 13th Kumaon Regiment. With a stellar cast including Farhan Akhtar, Amitabh Bachchan, Rashi Khanna and more, the film has already generated massive buzz. So today I am here to break down the good and the not so good so you can decide whether it deserves your time or not. So what is the story and the premise? Ek So Bees Bahadur revolves around the Battle of Rezangla during the 1962 Sino-Indian War, where 120 Ahir soldiers went up against the 3,000 Chinese troops. The film showcases their courage, the impossible odds and Major Shaitan Singh's strategies and how these men pulled off a victory so unbelievable that people refuses to believe that for months. That is basically the crux of the narrative and the story that we are going to discuss. The underwhelming parts. Too perfect for its own good. The film suffers from being overly polished. The editing, the frames, even the war sequences seems almost too clean and too pretty. The very first shot of the hospital raises eyebrows. It looks like either AI or just poor CGI. A film like this needs a sense of rawness to it. Farhan as a director achieved this beautifully in his debut Lakshya. The textures, the characters, even the landscapes felt lived in. Here the realism is missing and it takes away some of the very important emotional punches from the movie. Too much and just too little. There's a lot happening, almost too much and just not enough. There's basically no breathing space to it. Some moments required more emotional depth, specifically towards the end. When the world initially refused to believe the battle had even occurred, instead of a quick jump cut to 3 months later, the film could have explored that disbelief, the trauma to create a stronger impact for the audience. Now let's go on for the good stuff. The story. The biggest strength is the story itself. It's powerful, honorable and full of bravery. This chapter of Indian history carries enough weight to keep you invested on its own. Farhan Akhtar and the cast. After 4 years, Farhan Akhtar delivers a genuinely impressive performance. He particularly shines in the second half. His command over the action battle sequences is a pleasant surprise. The supporting cast holds their ground and adds authenticity to the narrative. The battle sequences. The war sequences are intense and well executed. The sound design deserves special mention and it heightens the grit and makes the second half a gripping, well-seasoned climax. This is where the film truly pulls the audience in. So what is the final verdict by it? Despite its shortcomings, Ek So Bees Bahadur is worth your time. The story is the real hero here and that alone makes this film something you shouldn't skip. It's part of our history that deserves to be known, remembered and felt. So yes, give it a watch, not just for the filmmaking but for the courage and the sacrifice it brings to our screens. For more such videos, tune in with Bollywood Life.